Owen. This is his very first time being sheared, and he is actually the grandson of the first ewe that we sheared. So we're starting, just like we did before, at the chest, because it's got a nice hard breastbone there that's easy to kind of break into the wool. Now the wool on the belly tends to be shorter, and obviously it's dirtier because they lie down on their belly. So that will, a whole team of people, and their job is to skirt the wool. The process of skirting involves removing any wool that is short or that is too dirty or matted or felted to use. Basically, they're only sorting out the good stuff from the bad stuff. So it makes the wool a little sticky.
That's fine.
It's a two-part answer because of the breed of sheep. You see how Owen has a brown head and
second position. That was the first position.
so his belly's all done. We're going to start working on his legs. And we use the bone structure to help protect the eyes. Some sheep that we shear actually grow wool all over their face. Fortunately, this breed is not one of them. Those are very difficult to shear.
Sit on my lap.
Sheep shearing. You know anything about a farrier is? Does anybody know what a farrier is? A farrier is the name of a man who takes care of horses' feet. And so he's always bending over, and it's very hard on his back.
So we're carefully doing the neck right now.
Excuse me.
You leave it till next year and you shear it with
Get up, honey.
wool. Now you can see right around the elbow there, some of the wool's kind of clumped together and it's all kind of hard and waxy. And those are what we call grease tags. And that's with some leg on the ground. So he can't get up and run away. He's being a really good boy for his first shearing.
Hola.
Now we have a few little nicks and cuts. Now when he's being sheared, they kind of pull open the skin and it looks a lot worse than it is. You see that cut right there? That'll be healed in 2 days. 1 or 2 strokes right past the backbone, so we're all set up to start in here. Now instead of doing long strokes, we're going to do short ones across the body. We're gradually going to pull Owen so he comes kind of flipped back around between the shearer's legs. Go around the elbow.
So we're just going to bring it into that. So if you really need to stretch your legs, that way you don't have to fight it. Okay?
See, each position, we're stretching the skin nice and taut in the area where we're working, so it's smooth and it shears easily without cutting. It doesn't hurt the sheep.
Only seen it on the
It's almost done, and in a commercial environment, he would just let the sheep go and it would run into the next pen. But since we're not in a commercial environment, I'm going to catch him for him. So I'm going to set the mic down and get ready to do it. Well, we're going to be done in less than 2 minutes. After we finish, I'll hold Owen and everybody can come up and pet him if you like. Just make sure.
Oh, he's pooping again. Or it's just the same poop following around. So fresh.
One thing I should mention here is that sheep do sweat, okay? And not all this yellow is necessarily lanolin, plain. It's lanolin mixed with sweat, and they call it suet. That's what they call it. And it washes out with water. Lanolin is water soluble.
Yay! Oh, you did it!
Let's go put some sanitizer on.
నేను ఉంటుందా?
Don't want to eat anything until you wash your hands.
There's hand sanitizer right over here.
Soft, very soft.
Well, you just brought him here today. Yep, see? He's got 2 grown-up teeth and 3 sets of baby teeth. But he doesn't have teeth on the top, so he can't hurt me, see? Then he has a gap, and then in the back, he's got molars top and bottom, and that's where he can bite you. But he won't bite. He's very, very gentle. He can't bite like a dog or a horse can. He'll nibble you with his lips, and that tickles, and that's all he can do.
That's it.
Yep, he just got done. We'll be doing another one in about 15, 20 minutes. We'll get the shearer break. It's part of the back.
You want to touch the stuff that they pulled off on the stuff?
Our oldest sheep is about 11 years old.
This is the finest fleece you're going to get off this particular animal because it's his first shearing. And do you know what a hogget is?
A what?
A hogget.
No.
Well, that's what this is.
Oh, the strap.
Hogget is the Scottish name for the fleece
Did everybody get a chance to
of
pet
a
him?
lamb.
You want to pet
for
him?
shearing.
You want to pet him?
Stand up. I'm going to move him in this corner. Boy. Oh, wait a minute. We got to move out of the way. It's okay.
Он еще не пьет молоко. А вот этого шея поранята.
Да, посмотри это.
А что это с ним?
Good. Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.